welcome back to the channel. So we're on the Datsun today. Now the plan with this is we're going to tidy up the back end. So we've obviously got the lower piece there. We've got the 240Z light conversion panels to put in. So them ones there. And then them repair panels have got to go in this top bit. And then we've also got that repair panel under there. I'll get it out in a minute. Goes all the way over the top. So our job is basically doing that, and then Andy from Auto Panel Solutions is going to take the front end. Well, he's going to take the full car obviously, but you see all these bits in here. So he's going to do the front end because basically all this plate, all this in here is supposed to be a different shape. The front end has had a lot of dodgy repairs on it, so it would take us probably 6 months, just to work out what it needs, and then we'd have to order the panels from him anyway. And yeah, he's going to take about 2 weeks doing it, so obviously speed up the process. And then once it's done at Andy's house, Liam's garage is ready, so this is going to go to Liam's house, and then obviously he can spend more time on it, and we'll go down there every couple of weeks. We'll do a video on it, and then we can see the progress that's going on. And at this bay then we'll have the metro in. So obviously it's a big garage, but I do not own this garage obviously. We just rent this one bay. So yeah, we need to get this done, then we can get the metro in and get cracking on with that. So first job is start chopping some of this back end out. Alright, so got one side cut out. Now I still find it mad that Liam's going to be watching this on YouTube. Basically his mate cutting his car apart, because he thinks I know what I'm doing. I haven't got a clue, mate. But yeah, anyway, we're going to put this side in first, because if I chop that side out now, basically the centre panel, I mean, it's already pretty floppy as it is. I don't want it getting out of position, because then that affects where the boot latch. Right, so fairly happy with the plan on this side. Now it's going to be butt welded along there, along this bottom edge, and then obviously laid on top of this panel. So what we'll do is plug weld 2 holes there, and then probably seam weld it down there. But can't really do that yet, because this weld that was on there previously, that someone put a repair panel in, sort of gets in the way of this sitting down exactly where I want it. So I can't get in with the grinder. So what we'll probably do is purchase a finger sander, which we're probably going to need anyway for dressing all the spot welds. But obviously we've not got that at the minute. So I will leave that in there for now. Message Liam, make sure he's okay with my plan anyway. And then I think we'll just chop this side out, because to be honest, that's still connected there. It's not too bad at the end of the day. And then sort of that will guide us where this sits anyway. So yeah, onto that side. So second side is in. Pretty happy with the fitment on it. So got it held in with these magnets, and these are absolutely brutal. If you need any magnets for doing this kind of stuff, get these Eastwood ones, because I don't know how they make them, but absolutely brutal. I took my finger off about 10 times underneath it. So we can't really go any further than this now, because I want to clean up the edges with a finger sander. I think Liam's ordered it, so it should only be a few days, but no point rushing. We might as well wait for that to turn up and clean it up. Like, we could probably get away with it, but we've gone this far, stripping down the shell to a completely bare, so why rush that? So once that's in, next video we will get them welded in, and also then chop out all this area ready for the light conversion panels. Now, while we're waiting for them to turn up, we will jump onto the Metro next video. I've sold the engine now, so we'll pull that out and then we can see what we're working with a bit more. And also the money the engine made, I think I sold it for 150. We'll buy some body panels maybe, so we can at least say, you know, it looks a little bit like a subtract, a little bit the same. So yeah, as always, thanks for watching, and I will catch you on the next one.